Munch, munch, munch. Remember our number muncher from yesterday in our math lesson? All right, so here we go. Number muncher likes to eat the bigger number, the number that's greater than, the number that's more. All of those words mean the same thing: greater than, bigger, more. So this way, when he faces this way, he's eating the larger number over here. So 8 is greater than 3. If the smaller number is first, then the number muncher is called less than. So here he's eating the other way because 2 is less than 7. And if you happen to have the numbers that are exactly the same, then we know that those are equal. We've used that equal sign a lot when we do our addition and subtraction. Now, yesterday I showed you my number muncher card, and I told you if you wanted to make one, you could. Or I will show you the symbol that when you get older, the math symbol that you will use, that you will write on your paper. So we're going to start again. And if you want to write these on your own paper, you can. If you want to use them off the screen, you can. Whatever works best for you. So I'm going to start here. Let's go with a 7. Ooh, that's kind of a 7, isn't it? And a 4. So with my number muncher, is 7 greater than 4, meaning is 7 a bigger number than 4, or is 7 less than 4? Right, 7 is greater. Now, if you don't have that number muncher, here's what the math symbol looks like when you get older, or you can start using it now because most of you are that smart. You just make a little V like that. So here's his mouth. There's the number muncher. He's going to munch towards the 7. All right. So it almost looks like a V that's been tipped on its side. So let's try another one like that. Let's go with 10 and 5. So is 10 greater than 5, or is 10 less than 5? Right, 10 is greater than. So there's my number muncher, but if I needed to use that greater than symbol, I make a diagonal line and then back like that. There's his mouth. He likes the 10 because he's going to eat the 10. It is more. It is greater than. Now, what happens if it's less than? Well, let's go with 15 and 17. Now, I hear you already saying it. You know that 17 is greater than, that 17 is more. So he's not going to munch greater than. He's going to munch less than. He's going to say 15 is less than 17. So this time I have to flip it. So now this time it's going to look like that. Okay, so let's try one more. Let's go with 8 and let's go with a 1. No, let's go with 12. Gotta make up my mind here. All right, so is 8 greater than 12? Or is 8 less than 12? Right, 8 is less than 12. 8 is a smaller number, so less than symbol looks like that, remember? Because the open part, the mouth part, wants to munch the bigger number. Now, let's see if I can trick you on this one. Which way is my number muncher going to go? That's right. I got to take him out of there because 7 is equal to 7. It's exactly the same number. Now, if you want to practice that today, have a brother, older brother, sister, or mom or dad, or whoever you with, write some numbers down. And you can either use your hand to munch the larger number if you drew a muncher number, or you can use those fancy symbols to do that. All right. And if you just wanted to watch the video today, that's fine too. And for my parents that are watching, this is just kind of an introduction to it. It's not something that the children are expected to master. So if it's a little confusing right now, that's just fine. All right. I hope you have a greater than day. Talk to you later.